Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Say welcome back to camp.
Welcome back to camp.
Well, finally, welcome back to camp. Welcome back to Camp Nobody. It's been a while. Haven't made a video in several months. You know, stuff gets busy, stuff gets in the way. But we are here. We're going to camp for a couple days. This is Memorial Day weekend. Sorry that we got the generator running for the AC for the kids inside. Yeah, we got the camper out here in a different spot than usual. We normally park it out in the middle of the field where it's about 20 degrees hotter.
I don't know why you do that.
We got brother Luke here. We got the tent set up too. Well, Luke set up the tent all by himself. That's where he's gonna stay. Making him stay in the tent while I sleep in the camper. I blame it on the kids. We're doing all kinds of chores to get the place back into shape for the summer. It's like opening the pool on Memorial Day. Man, did some
Makes me feel bad.
trail mowing. Went and borrowed the neighbors, Brambleberry Hills Homestead. Borrowed their mower again. That thing's great. So I brought it back over here and mowed a little bit. We got the camper in here, but it's a little tight. So mowed us a little walkway here. Again, sorry about the generator noise. But yeah, the only problem with parking the camper here is now the truck gets stuck here, so we're gonna have to do something, figure out something for that eventually. So we had a bird nest in the outhouse. Oops. Right up here. There were some baby birds in there just last week, so I'm glad they're out. I'm gonna evict the nest now.
Right there on the bird's nest. Actually, it's the other way around. That's the last piece of the shell skin.
This is the head.
Oh wait, I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, I also have
No, I don't.
Alright. You ready?
I need to try.
Put your knees together, okay. Now lean back. Lean back, lean back, lean back. Let go of me. Why is it twisting?
What did you do her?
Oh, here we go. I got it. There we go.
What? For a second, I got what you're going to have. Hello.
You let me know when you want out, okay?
What do you think, bud?
Okay.
We got some brats and some hot dogs boiling.
Hey, you.
We're gonna boil them a little bit and put them on the grill.
How's your ride? Mustard. Nothing but hot mustard. Your only friend is hot mustard. You're a hot mustard boy.
I put some soy sauce in there.
Oh, okay.
I feed you. What?
The cookie reward.
Bye.
No, where'd they go?
I am not talking. Ah! Bye.
Because you're gonna get him. Like, I am determined to not have mice in my camper.
That's in trouble. Because this is a hot dog, but nobody sees us. This is a nice camera. Ooh, babe. Hello. Ooh, yum. Guys, photos in the look, photos in the fire. Let's just see photos in the fire. I don't know what to put. Ooh, Daddy, those are very good. Daddy, those are very good.
They are very good.
Are our neighbors gonna come here?
Oh no, they had to go home. You miss them? You miss the neighbors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to watch that. Oh, my wee. Whoa. Daddy, next time tell me to press the button. I'm going on a walk.
You want to take the camera?
Yeah.
Pretty fun.
Cat.
I don't know. I think it's too big for a cat. There's no big cats like that out here.
Bobcat. But
No,
I don't think
bobcats
there's
are
any
small.
here. What are you doing?
Finding you guys?
Daddy, did you eat half of my sandwich?
All right, good morning. We had our breakfast. It's a beautiful day so far. I'm gonna try to find some chores to do here.
Yes, finally. Daddy, ready? Daddy, how are you cutting that board? I can't hear.
Just need like a brace on there.
Whoa! I almost got stuck in the tree.
Ta-da!
There it goes.
So this thing is pretty gnarly, but it's just going to keep getting gnarlier. So I want to make a table out of it. It's on our little pole here. We're going to put the smoker here. It'll be a little like prep table. Good enough for rotting wood in the woods. That fits surprisingly well.
Thank you.
Alright, well there it is, finished. It's got to be brushed off, but it's a little wobbly. Not too bad. It'll be solid enough to put your chuck roaster getting ready to smoke. Alright, I'm finally going to attach this.
Look out! Look out!
Alright.
Like, ow! Dad, we both want to go swim. Good job, good buddy. What am I doing?
Our smoker.
Ow!
Smoker still has a pan in it. Alright, I think we're going to go check out the lake for a little bit. See what's going on down there.
Yeah, let's do it. Ah.
How's that water, girl? Don't go too far, okay? What do you think, buddy? You going to go check it out?
I was trying to go way over there.
You can't go too far.
Ew, there's stuff in the water. Over here.
Alright, we made it back. The ride back was... The ride back just put this guy to sleep. So, we're going to make lunch, have some sandwiches, and we got to get the smoker started. We're going to smoke a chuck roast again. I don't know why we do that every time we're out here, you know. Because it's good. Alright, she's come up with a Slim Jim trick and with chips. Pick it up like chopsticks. Alright. The outdoor kitchen update. Got our light up here, right next to the smokers. Smoker's getting warm. Season some meat. Try out my new counter. I normally have some kind of barbecue seasoning or something, or barbecue rub, but I'm just going basic salt and pepper and maybe a little Lowry seasoned salt. All right, time to put it in. Top one?
Either one.
Well, what a beautiful day. We had great weather, had some friends visit. We're making s'mores.
Next time. Do it.
S'mores. Oh, are you ready to make it a s'more? So on there. And then we're
Oh yeah, look at that one.
Because somebody I'm getting hot.
Here, let me see this.
I do not like crusty. Stand right there.
You want to do a super
Get as many leaves as you can at one time.
Yeah, I see your video, Wayne.
Leaves with a little fire, right? Do not put any leaves in them. This one.
Yeah.
It'd be funny. It really would be like doing like.
All right, ready? Got eggs and sausage. You like this stuff, don't you? Eggs, potatoes. Good morning. I guess it's day 3 out here. Morning 2. We had our breakfast. The new outdoor kitchen works good. So now we got to pack up, do all this work. I may do a few more little things before I go. I still want to put a shelf in the carport somehow. We'll see.
Let me move that in the sun so it dries easier. Ugh. Does it get rolled now? That's what I had wrong.
Well, we're almost all the way packed up here. We got a few more little things. Come to the end of our trip. What do you think?
Mommy.
Did you have a good camping trip?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Did you have a good camping trip?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So we had a great time. Nice little trip. Good weather. Great weather. Got a few things done. The new table here. Outdoor kitchen. We'll get back to making more videos regularly here now that summer's in full swing. Kind of. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.